If you've ever looked at ChatGPT and thought, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this, and I feel a little dumb asking, you are in exactly the right place today, and we're stripping away all the tech jargon. I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI step by step in plain English. No coding required. Welcome back to Simple AI Life, where we make artificial intelligence work for everyday living. I'm Lionel, and I've spent more than 30 years in tech. Let me tell you a little secret. The tech industry loves to make things sound more complicated than they are. AI is not magic. It's just really fast assistant that has read, well, most of the internet, dare I say entire. If you didn't grow up with a smartphone in your hand, it can feel overwhelming. Before we dive in, if you want a step-by-step guide you can follow at your own pace, click the link in the description for our free AI Foundations. It's completely free and designed specifically for our generation. Okay, let's get started. Think about how you use Google. You type in a few words, Google gives you a million websites to read. You have to do the work of finding the answer. An AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Google Gemini is different. You talk to it like a person, and it gives you the exact answer written out for you. It does the reading and summarizing for you. That box where you type, that's called a prompt. It's just a fancy word for instructions. Let's try it together. I'm going to search for dinner recipes. I have chicken, rice, and broccoli in my fridge. I have 30 minutes. Give me 3 simple dinner recipes. And here we have our results. Look at that. It didn't give me a blog with a 20-page story about someone's grandmother. It gave me exactly what I asked for. This is the power of AI. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They get an answer they don't like. They give up. AI is, you use it for a conversation. If you don't like the recipes, you just reply. Watch. I think I would like to have a little bite. Nothing too spicy, just a little bit of a bite to these recipes. Can you adjust it, please? Now, you notice I even said please. Not that that's necessary, but it's conversational, and it is pretty much how you're going to talk to another human being. So it's done all 3 and just made the changes that we asked for. And this is exactly it. And again, if you decide it's the other way around, you can tell it I would like it to be mild or less spicy or more spicy. And this is all great. This is using the ingredients that you said you had. You can also be specific and simply state, I'd like you to do this. This is what I have in my fridge. I'm willing to go to the store, and this is the budget that I have and the amount of time I have to get to the store back and make dinner. And you can even have it map out by telling it how much time you have and have it map out the closest grocery store or convenience store if that's what you want. See, that's not so scary. It's just a tool to make your life a little easier. Your homework today is to go to either ChatGPT or Gemini and ask for a recipe using what's in your fridge. If you want to take the next step and really master this without the overwhelm, grab our free AI Foundations course linked below. And if this video helped you, hit the subscribe button. We're in this together. See you next time.